You just got a job offer. Your heart is racing. The hiring manager smiles and says, "So, what are your salary expectations?" And suddenly, your mind goes blank. You know the number you want, but the words, the exact phrases that sound professional, confident, and natural in English? That's exactly what we're going to fix today. By the end of this video, you will have 10 powerful phrases you can use word for word in any salary negotiation. Whether you're at a job interview, accepting an offer, or asking for a raise at your current job. Stay until the end, because the last section is the one most people skip. And it's the reason so many non-native speakers leave money on the table. Section 1. The most important thing to know first. Before we get to the phrases, let me tell you something that changed everything for me. In many cultures around the world, including parts of South Asia, East Asia, and Latin America, asking for more money can feel rude. It can feel greedy, like you're being difficult. In American professional culture, it is the exact opposite. Negotiating your salary is expected. It is a sign of confidence and self-awareness. In fact, studies show that 85% of employers have room to negotiate, but they will not move unless you ask. Here is what American hiring managers actually think when you negotiate. This person knows their value. I respect that. And when you don't negotiate, I wonder if they're confident enough for this role. So before any phrase, shift your mindset. You are not being rude. You are doing exactly what every prepared professional does. Now, let's talk about the phrases. The first mistake most people make is this. They hear, "What are your salary expectations?" and they immediately say a number, often too low because they're nervous. Here's a better approach. Buy yourself time. Gather information first. Mistake number 1. I'm very excited about this opportunity. Before I give you a number, could you share what the budgeted range is for this role? This phrase does two powerful things. It shows enthusiasm. I'm very excited. And it asks them to show their number first. Most of the time, they'll tell you. And now you negotiate from a position of knowledge. Mistake number 2. I'd love to learn more about the full compensation package before we discuss salary. Compensation package. This is an important phrase. It means more than just salary. It includes health insurance, paid time off, remote work flexibility, bonuses, and retirement benefits. Sometimes the base salary is lower, but the package is excellent. Always ask about the full picture. Section 3. Phase 2. You have their number. Now what? They've given you a number. Maybe it's lower than you expected. Here is how you respond, without burning the relationship and without saying yes too quickly. Mistake number 3. Thank you so much for the offer. I'm genuinely excited about this role. I was hoping we could discuss the compensation a bit. Notice the structure. Gratitude first. Thank you so much. Then enthusiasm. I'm genuinely excited. Then the ask. I was hoping we could discuss. This 3-part formula makes you sound warm, not aggressive. Mistake number 4. Based on my research and my experience in your field, I was expecting something closer to your number. Is there flexibility there? 2 key words here: research and flexibility. Research tells them you are prepared and your number is not random. It is based on market data. You can use tools like Glassdoor, LinkedIn Salary, or the Bureau of Labor Statistics to know your market rate before the interview. Flexibility is a softer word than, "Can you change it?" It gives them room to say yes without feeling pressured. Mistake number 5. I'm very interested in joining the team. If you could meet me at your number, I'd be ready to accept today. This phrase is powerful because it creates urgency. Ready to accept today tells them you are committed. You are not shopping around. It often moves the conversation forward quickly. Section 4, Phase 3, when they say no. Sometimes they'll say, "I'm sorry, that's the top of our range." Don't give up. Don't go silent. Here are your moves. Phrase number 6. I understand. Could we look at other parts of the package, like a signing bonus or an earlier performance review? A signing bonus is a one-time payment when you join the company. An earlier performance review means you could get a raise in 6 months instead of 12. If the base salary is fixed, these are your next best options. And many companies say yes to these even when they can't move on salary. Phrase number 7. I respect that. Could we agree to revisit my salary after 90 days based on my performance? This is smart for a few reasons. It shows confidence. You are telling them you will perform well. It gives them a low-risk path to say yes. And it gets the conversation in writing, which protects you later. Phrase number 8. That's helpful to know. Is there any flexibility on the start date, or perhaps additional paid time off? PTO, paid time off, is real money. One extra week of vacation is worth thousands of dollars. Don't overlook it. Section 5, Phase 4, Closing the negotiation. Whether you agreed on a number or not, how you close the conversation matters. You want to leave on a positive note. Phrase number 9. I'm very excited about this opportunity. Could you send me the formal offer in writing so I can review everything? Always, always get the offer in writing before you give your final answer. This is completely normal and professional in the U.S. No employer will find it strange. It protects you, and it gives you time to make sure everything is correct. Phrase number 10. Thank you for working with me on this. I look forward to joining the team. End on warmth. End on gratitude. Even if the negotiation didn't go perfectly, close the door well. You'll be working with these people, and first impressions, including this one, last a long time. Section 6. Full sample dialogue. Listen for all 10 phrases. Now let's put it all together. Listen to a complete negotiation conversation. Hiring manager. We'd like to offer you the position. The salary is $62,000 per year. What do you think? You. Thank you so much for the offer. I'm genuinely excited about this role. I was hoping we could discuss the compensation a bit. Hiring manager. Of course. What did you have in mind? You. Based on my research and my experience in digital marketing, I was expecting something closer to $70,000. Is there flexibility there? Hiring manager. The budget for this role is capped at $65,000. That's really our limit. You. I understand. Could we look at other parts of the package, like a signing bonus or an earlier performance review? Hiring manager. We could do a $2,000 signing bonus, and we're open to a 6-month review. You. I'm very interested in joining the team. Could you send me the formal offer in writing so I can review everything? Hiring manager. Absolutely. You'll have it by end of day. You. Thank you for working with me on this. I look forward to joining the team. Did you hear what happened? They started at $62,000. The negotiation ended at $65,000 base, plus a $2,000 signing bonus, and a 6-month performance review that could bring another raise. That is more than $5,000 in additional value from a 5-minute conversation. Section 7. 3 mistakes to avoid. All right, before we close, the section most people skip. These are the 3 mistakes that cost non-native speakers the most money. Mistake number 1. Saying a number before they do. Always try to get their number first. Use phrase number 1. Once you say a number, it becomes the ceiling, not the floor. Mistake number 2. Apologizing when you negotiate. Do not say, "I'm sorry, but," or, "I hope this isn't too much to ask." You have nothing to apologize for. Negotiating is normal. Own your ask. Mistake number 3. Accepting on the spot out of relief. The offer came. You're relieved. You want to say yes immediately. Don't. Always take at least a few hours to review the full package. Use phrase number 9. Ask for it in writing. This is not rude. It is professional. Let's do a quick recap of your 10 phrases. Ask about the range before giving your number. Ask about the full compensation package. Show gratitude, enthusiasm, then ask to discuss. Use "based on my research" and "is there flexibility?" Create urgency. Ready to accept today. Ask for a signing bonus or earlier review when salary is fixed. Propose a 90-day performance review for a raise. Consider extra paid time off. Always get the offer in writing. Close warm. I look forward to joining the team. Print these out. Practice them out loud before your next interview. The more you say them, the more natural they become, and the more confident you will sound. If this video helped you, type "I'm ready to negotiate" in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Share this with a friend who has a job interview coming up. And subscribe for new English lessons every week that will help you sound natural, professional, and confident in any American workplace situation. I'll see you in the next one.